There's lots of videos of epic snow machining all over the internet, but what we are doing is real life snow machining. Let's get back to Turnagain Pass because right now there's more snow in Florida than there is in Anchorage. But it snowed 3 feet in Turnagain Pass, and that snow is calling us and daring us to get our sleds stuck in the powder. So why not? I mean, you're really not trying hard enough unless you're getting stuck in the snow. So let's pick up a friend, watch Ryder back up the trailer, and head out looking for some snow.
Almost hit my head over there. Didn't even think about that. Fail on that one.
We got way more snow than the other day. It's gonna be awesome. Ryder flipped it.
Yo, quick before your video's in.
Okay. Nice fishtailing.
Yeah.
All right, these are two-stroke engines, so they have the oil feeds into the gas and mixes the gas. And while we're in the break-in period, the machine's putting extra oil into the gas and mixing a higher concentration of oil and gas, so it's going to use more oil during the first break-in period than it will otherwise. So the last thing you want is this thing to run out of oil. We're probably okay today, but we're just going to top it off with the oil, which is my first time doing it, so it's going to take a little while. All right, here we go. Check this out. All right. Here's where our oil's at. We all got a funnel, so hopefully I don't spill this everywhere. That was all kind of basic stuff, but I'm kind of new at this. I don't want to screw it up. I don't want to just destroy the machines the first couple times I go out, so I'm trying to figure out these little things first. Haha, there we go. Did it without spilling it. That's good. You know, it's the little wins that make life good. Here we go. Oh, there we go. It's like the simple things that are important, right? Everything latched up. Bam, did it. right, dude. Let's roll, right? Let's do this.
Slow down, there's nothing to get you. You can always turn it around. Oh, I shouldn't have met you. I only let you down. All night in your bedroom, thoughts were thinking loud. Oh, I shouldn't have met you. I shouldn't have let you.
That looks nice.
Are you serious?
I might not be an expert on snow machines, but I have enough experience to know that a major part of learning how to ride snow machines is getting stuck and becoming exhausted, constantly trying to dig yourself out. I don't think Ryder understands how easy it is to get stuck, but he will find out pretty soon. An old wise surgeon once told me during my training in residency that it's important to have good judgment. But I asked him, well, that's great, but how do you get good judgment? He looked at me and said, you get good judgment from experience. And you want to know how to get experience? Bad judgment. Well, Ryder's going to get a lot of experience today, but someday that experience will turn into good judgment.
I literally can't walk off.
Look at that poor tree you hurt.
You just destroyed that tree.
Good job, Ryder.
No, I need to be pulled.
Oh yeah. See, this is a good time to bring you our sponsor. It's Crumble. Not corporate Crumble, but Anchorage Crumble. And the reason why Anchorage Crumble is our sponsor is because, well, my wife owns it and she really loves me a lot, so she sponsored it and said that anybody that subscribes, leaves a comment, get a free cookie. Not just the mini cookies, you get the big old cookies. Oh my gosh. They got a little crush from snow machining. But here we go. Ooh, that doesn't look so hot anymore, but still looks pretty good. You see, my wife tells me, oh, isn't your YouTube video so cute? She kind of pats me on the head, and she loves me, so she'll give you a Crumble cookie. But I tell her, yeah, my little videos are pretty cute. You got to come into one of the 2 Anchorage locations to get your free cookie. We'll have to put a time limit on when you can come in, probably the next couple of months. We'll put that in the description when the cutoff is to come get your cookie. But yeah, subscribe, leave a comment. You got to leave a comment, else we won't really know that you watched it. But if you're already subscribed, it's okay. Leave a comment, you get a free cookie. There's nothing better than being out here in the Alaskan outdoors with a little bit of Crumble cookie. This right here is what dreams are made of.
And then
Oh yeah.
let's lift up the track rider.
You wanna pick up some Crumble cookies before you got snow machining next time, because
Oh, you did correct.
nothing beats this. Out here in the snow, watching your son dig out a snow machine while you eat some
Oh,
Crumble
that's what
cookies.
tree.
Doesn't get any better than that.
10.
Hey Zach, good luck. Ryder,
Thank
good luck.
you. All right, ready? Wait. All right, go.
See? See what good parenting that was? I let them figure it all out themselves. I know, I'm a genius.
Sunlight, dearest sunlight, I am calling you across your room. Sunlight, dearest sunlight, I would like to come out of the womb. Something in
Ryder got stuck, number 4.
feels like all
4 or 5? Are we counting the one in the parking lot?
That wasn't stuck. You just flipped it.
Just flipped it, that's it.
Somehow.
I don't know how it flipped, honestly. Well, I do, but I just don't get it.
That just happened really quick.
Yeah. I'm ready to go home and take a nice shower.
That's what Ty said. Ty said we had naming machines.
What's this one named?
He said that was his name, Bertha. Old Bertha. I figure we name one midlife and the other one crisis.
Or can name this one Woody.
Oh my gosh, he smashed that one.
It's got a piece of wood stuck in it.
Yeah, I think this one's name is Woody now.
Woody,
Yeah.
sweet.
The major lesson from today was we got some experience. And honestly, I can't wait to get back out here and get some more experience, even if that means having a little bit of bad judgment, getting stuck, and getting that fun experience of digging yourself out. It's all part of the learning curve.